In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there is a built-in tool which you can use to take a screenshot on PC. So whether you want to take a full page screenshot or maybe you just want to take a screenshot of a certain area, then you can actually do this with a built-in tool on your Windows PC. Now, to get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In your search box, type Snipping tool like this, and you should see an app come up underneath Best Match called Snipping tool. Give it a click and that's going to open it up. There is also a keyboard shortcut, which is the Windows key Shift and S, which if you press and hold down on your keyboard is going to also open the snipping tool. Now, once this is opened, what you want to do is come up to the top, make sure it's selected onto the camera icon to snip or take a screenshot, and then just click onto new. Once you've done that, the screen's going to change and you're going to get this kind of crosshair cursor, and what you want to do at this point is hold down your left mouse button and just drag the cursor. So you just want to drag the area that you want to take a screenshot of. So as mentioned, you can do this for a certain area, or you can just do a full page screenshot by dragging right down to the bottom right hand corner. So for example, if I wanted to take a screenshot of this section, then I would just make my window of what I want to capture, let go of the left mouse button, and what that's going to do is give me a preview of my screenshot. From here, to find your screenshots, if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type File Explorer, and then open up your File Explorer underneath Best Match. Once you've got that opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side, click onto Pictures, and you should see a folder in here called Screenshots. So if you give that a click, that's going to show all your screenshots. And you can see if I scroll right down to the bottom, we're going to find our screenshot that I've just done. So I can double click to open this, and you can use that wherever you need to. So that is how to take a screenshot on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.